Textured grip. Peened finish. Supportive design. Bathroom grab bar supports up to 500 pounds when installed in a stud or when using SecureMounts, not included. Safe and secure. SecureMount design for easy, secure installation, sold separately. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Enjoy greater peace of mind in the bathroom with the Moen 18-inch grab bar. This ADA grab bar supports up to 500 pounds. It has a 1.25-inch diameter to accommodate all sizes of hands, and it provides a reliable handhold whether you're showering, bathing, or using the toilet. Thanks to its durable stainless steel construction, this grab handle provides lasting performance. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect product for my 89-year-old parents' shower. Much better price than from big box stores. If you or your builder did not have the foresight to add some backers in the construction of the shower walls, do yourself a favor and go with a pair of Moen grab bar anchors. You need 2 boxes. They are a bit pricey, but do the job. Chances of you hitting a stud dead center are not that great unless you drill a lot of test holes to ensure that your stud finder actually found a stud. My experience is that a stud finder does not do a very good job of finding a stub through a layer of tile and cement board. The bars come in 2 diameters: 1.25, residential, 1.5 inch, commercial. Both are ADA compliant. 1.25 inch is more than adequate for residential needs and probably better for smaller-handed people.